My name is Brandon Cranford, and I want to talk to you today about how you can earn extra money. Broad concept, right? Everybody wants to earn extra money. But I'm going to be real with you, and I'm not going to beat around the bush with you and say, well, if you do this particular method, you'll be a millionaire tomorrow. No. I am going to say, though, with hard work and consistency, you know what, you can begin to earn extra money, not just a little bit, but enough money to fire your boss. Imagine that. Imagine if you could wake up each and every morning to your desktop, laptop, computer, and have an email waiting for you saying you have earned a $297 commission, or you have earned a $1,000 commission. Imagine that. I'm not joking around with you. That is very able to happen. That is very capable to happen. Not just to anybody, but to you. It can happen to you with hard work and the right mentors and the right tools in your life. I do want to talk to you just for a little bit about some of those tools that you can implement today. One in particular, it's called MLSP. It is a marketing platform that has helped me to grow my business right from the comfort of my home. Helped me to grow me personally, and to build me as an individual, to grow me as an individual, and to help me to establish an online presence. So I want to help you, and I want to show you the steps that you can take today to start earning residual income, to start earning income that is monthly. The work that you put in today can start earning you monthly income. So go ahead and click the link below, and I would love to teach you just a little bit more about what I'm doing and about how you also can implement these tools for success into your business. So go ahead and click that link now. It's right there in the description box. You can't miss it. Click it right now, and I guarantee you, you will not regret it. So go ahead and do that. And if you like this video, if it offered value to you, go ahead and like it for me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I would love to for you to come over on my Facebook fan page, Brandon Cranford Facebook fan page, and go ahead and like my Facebook fan page as well. So God bless. Have a great day. I will see you on the inside. Bye.